So here we are, we're changing out a faucet. We got a new one here. All right, so let's go ahead and get in here and change this thing out. Oh, let's see how we're set up here. Okay, all right, just our standard connectors. Alright, hopefully those are coming off pretty easy. That one ain't trying to come off easy. Alright, so we got a faucet that works now, brand new.
Oh, it comes out there.
Yeah, it's got a weight on it, so it'll just go right back up.